How to delete a picture album or album group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so if you want to delete a album picture, so click on album picture and click on delete and click on move to trash. So you will see your picture is removed. So after the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to delete a picture album or album group on here, so you will say click on album and click on select. So after click on select, so click on select and click on delete. You will see your album is deleted. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can delete a picture album or album group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.